It is my absolute pleasure to announce the newest design service that we will be offering here at Spruce Homes. This service is absolutely amazing if you are someone looking to do your own DIY renovation. Something we've seen in the marketplace recently is people wanting to do a big renovation, but maybe just not having the funds available at this exact point in their life. So really what they're looking for is to do a refresh on their existing home with little to no demo at all. Here is what you're going to love about this new service. All you have to do is send us an image of your space. We will take that image and render on top of it what we believe the design should look like at the end based on what the information that you have given us is telling us, whether that's an inspiration from a Pinterest, whether it's through a conversation or an email, or if you have no idea the vision for this project, but just know that you need to make some minor or major tweaks to make the room work for you. Put that stress on us and let us put the full design together for you to show you what we can do with the space that you already have. Here's how it works. You email us a photo of your space, whether that's your living room that you're wanting new furniture for, whether that's your kitchen that you're wanting to paint the cupboards, switch out the countertops, maybe add a backsplash, or whether that's the exterior of your home that really just needs a refresh. All you have to do is email us that photo with a little description of what you're looking for and kind of what your pain points are with the area. From there, we ask that you send us a link to your Pinterest board. If you don't have a Pinterest board, don't worry. All you have to do is send us an image of maybe a room that really depicts a style that you like. Let us know the area that you live in, because with the rendering, you're also going to get 3 design boards. In these design boards is going to be all of the elements that you need to make this reno come to life. So if this is your kitchen, will include your light fixtures, your plumbing fixtures, the flooring choice, backsplash suggestions, countertops, you name it. So what can you expect when you get your rendering and design boards back? What you can expect is to get your photo with a whole new spruce design look on top of it, as well as 3 clickable design boards. So once you get into the design boards, each of the images will be clickable. All you have to do is click the image and it will take you to the source of where we found the product. These boards are super easy to use, and when you are in the middle of your reno, they are going to become the blueprint for everything you need to know.